You know how Jason Derulo always be like,
Jason Derulo.
it's like me before his song be like,
Lawrence Port. Who? Lawrence Port. Who? Lawrence Port.
Sing with your boy.
I was just kidding.
So I sleep.
I love you.
I got the sheets on the floor, nothing on me.
And I can't take it no more. 7 degrees.
I got one foot out the door. Where are my keys?
Cause I gotta leave, yeah. In the back of the cab. I tip the driver at a time. Give me the back.
I got your body on my mind.
I want it back. Ooh, just the thought of you gets me so high. So high.
Girl, you the one
I want to want me. And if you want me, girl, you got me.
I like it. There's nothing I know I wouldn't do.
I wouldn't do.
Just to get on next to you.
Girl, you the one I want to want me. And if you want me, girl, you got me.
There's nothing I know I wouldn't do.
I wouldn't do.
Just get on next to you. Come on, take it.
Just to get up next to you.
You open the door,
Wearing nothing but a smile.
go to the floor, and you. Oh my bad.
Come on, man. Can I sing too, please? Can I sing too?
The thought of you gets me so high,
So high.
so high.
Woo,
You the one
I want to want me. And if you want me, girl, you got me.
There's something I know I wouldn't do.
I wouldn't do
Just to get up next to you.
girl, you the one I want to want me. And if you want me, girl, you got me.
There's something I know I wouldn't do.
I wouldn't do
Just to get up next to you.
just to get up next to you. Yeah. Just the thought of you gets me so high,
Come on now.
so high. Okay,
Gets me so high,
okay, okay.
so high.
Give it to me, Jason. It smells like somebody trying to win Georgia Sparks bag, and it ain't me.
You got me, baby. Yeah. I wouldn't do. I would do anything.
Baby,
And then you want me, girl, you got me.
what you say about me in front of you, baby?
I would do anything.
Gotta wiggle. Where the trumpet at?
Anything and everything.
Be my girl, boy, yeah. Let me get you
Get up
cry.
next to you, babe. Say, oh, get up, get up.
So Jason, I feel like we showed this high level of camaraderie right there. I mean, the chemistry that was displayed was undeniable. It was like a dynamic duo, like Jordan and Pippen. And I'm wondering if you would like to continue this. Hello? Jason? Jason? Jason?